One warm, sunny day, Peppa was taking a walk through the forest. Suddenly, to Peppa's surprise, she was lifted up off the ground by a strange power.
Peppa, do not be afraid. We have selected you. You are special.
Peppa had no idea what to make of the voice coming from the wind and clouds.
We are the energies of the weather elements. Peppa, you have been selected and we give you a great power. You must use your power for good and to help people and the earth.
Powers? What powers?
You will have the power of the wind.
Okay. Really? I've never enjoyed spinning before. It usually makes me dizzy.
Whoa! Easy does it.
Did that just happen? Did I turn into a tornado?